Good morning, students. My name is Birendra Kumar. I am a lecturer of physics. I am working in Sri Sri Academy since last 5 years, and we had been doing very great actually in physics. And we have got last year 176. One of the student has got because paper was simple. Previous to that, also students has done well. Okay, because it was our combined effort, not like my effort. It was so we are doing very well in physics in our academy. So today I am going to discuss about the chapter is units and measurement, how the pattern of question is there, right? You know that there was a drastic change in the year 2020 from zero. Actually 2018 there was no question. To be frank, every year one question will be asked, but in 2018 there was no question asked from measurement chapter. 2019 we got two questions, both were very simple. Come back to, if you look at 2020, you have three questions, and all three have them like simple question. Within 30 seconds you can solve these questions. This two also you can solve within 40 seconds, maximum 30 to 40 seconds, right? So let us see the questions. First we'll look from 2020, three questions. One was based on dimensional formula, one was on screw gauge. From the time NEET has started, they started giving importance to screw gauge and vernier caliper. In many of the materials, you will not find out the screw gauge and vernier caliper. But to be frank, the time NEET has been started, they have given a lot of importance to screw gauge and vernier caliper. In that also, screw gauge is dominating. Okay, next we have significant figures. And in 2019, we have got two questions, and both were very simple questions. So let us see with 2020, three questions, right? So start with first question. Okay, that was too easy. Okay, I think most of the students must have attended that one. Question was dimensional formula of stress. Okay, and you know very well stress formula is your force upon area, right? So dimensional formula of stress they have asked, right? Force, you know, that is ml t power minus 2 divided by L square. So finally you get ml power minus 1 t power minus 2. That was the first question you had in 2020 from this measurement chapter. Next we had one simple question based on screw gauge. Actually screw gauge is a little bit standard topic, but questions in NEET they will ask very simple. What they have given, actually they have given for screw gauge, they have given screw gauge number of divisions they have given. The total number of divisions are 50, and they told list count also. Okay, and list count is also given. The list count was given 0.01 millimeter. Okay, so number of divisions is 50, list count they are asking pitch of the screw. Pitch they are asking, and you know very well for screw gauge, if you have to find out list count is equal to the pitch of the screw. Whatever pitch of the screw means the distance moved after one complete rotation is called pitch of the screw. So pitch divided by number of divisions. So actually here both is given, list count is given, number of division is given, right? So actually pitch of the screw you'll find out, just you multiply number of divisions is how many, 50 into you have got list count 0.01 millimeter. So 0.01 millimeter, so you will multiply, what you are going to get, 0.5 millimeter. So this is the second question, which was kind of very simple. Okay, the last one is based on significant figures, right? So it was a simple kind of subtraction was there, but subtraction is not a great thing. You have to know how to express the answer in terms of significant digits. So we have 9.9 meter minus 0.0099 meter. Okay, so when you are going to subtract this one, let us say this is 9.9900, this is 0.0099. So simple subtraction you will do. What you are going to get here is 1. Okay, here you get 0, 8, and here 9. So 9.9801. But actually the rule says that in addition and subtraction we have to take minimum number of significant digits after decimal. So here how many digits are there after decimal? 2. Here decimal 4 are there. So finally the answer will be expressed in terms of significant digits. After decimal you have to take only 2 digits, and after decimal 2 digits means the answer will come 9.98. And we have liberty to leave, because here 0, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 anything is there we can remove. 5 is there means we should think, because 5 is there means if before number is odd we have to add. More than 5 again we will add, but here this number is 0, so we can easily remove. So that was the third question. Okay, so you could see the questions were very simple in 2020 from measurement chapter. Now let's move on to 2019. 2019 they asked the unit of thermal conductivity. Thermal conductivity they have asked unit of thermal conductivity. Unit of thermal conductivity. And if you know this transfer of heat chapter, you will know that there is a constant called thermal conductivity that decides the transfer of heat okay, through a rod. Okay, so actually the formula for that is dq by dt is equal to k into a into T1 minus T2 divided by L. Right. So what is Q? Heat energy. Energy upon time. So energy divided by time is nothing but power. Right. So power unit is watt, and area is meter square. Meter square divided by meter will get meter inverse. And this is temperature. It is not time. Temperature difference. So this get Kelvin inverse, right? So you get the unit of thermal conductivity is watt meter inverse Kelvin inverse, right? So this is very simple question. Another question which they have given, it was based on screw gauge, right? And that was also not difficult. So this was the first question. Second question again they have asked based on screw gauge, and the question was simple only. If you know the formula you can easily do it. Screw gauge diameter they have asked. Diameter they have asked, and the diameter actually you find out the formula as main scale reading plus for screw gauge we have head scale reading, or circular scale we call it head scale reading. Okay, head scale division or head scale reading into list count, right? And that we have to plus or minus error. So they have given main scale reading as 5 millimeter, right? So they have given main scale reading as 5 millimeter plus head scale reading they have given 25, or coincidence also you can say head scale coincidence or head scale reading whatever, and the list count they have given 0.001 centimeter, and error was negative. Error was given in terms of negative, and it was given minus 0.004 centimeter. Remember, error is negative means correction will be done positive, and if error is positive correction will be done negative. So plus you write 0.004 centimeter. Now finally you look it up. The answer is given in centimeter. So I don't want millimeter. I will convert into centimeter. So 5 millimeter will be 0.5 centimeter, and here you get 0.025. After multiplication, this is also in centimeter, and the last one is also 0.004 centimeter. So everything is centimeter. So we can add it, and after adding, what you are going to get is you get 0.529 centimeter, right? So this is the answer we are getting. Fine. So you can look at how simple question is there in 2019 as well as 2020. Yes, 2018 there was no question, so we can have here then fluctuation, but the paper was so easy. Okay, I hope you got it. Thank you. We'll see again.